Sound the bugle now, not just for me. As the seasons change, remember how I used to be. Now can't go home, I can't even start. I got nothing to lift, just an empty heart. I'm a soldier, wounded, so I must give up the fight. There's nothing more to me, lead me away. Or leave me lying here. Sound the bugle now, tell 'em I don't care. There's not a road I know that leads to anywhere without a light. I feel that I must stumble in the dark, lay right down and decide not to go on. Then from on high, somewhere in the distance, there's a voice that calls, remember who you are. Don't you lose yourself, your courage soon will follow, so be strong tonight. Remember who you are. Yeah, you're a soldier now, fighting in a battle to be free.